Good evening, YouTubers. Welcome back to the channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Matt. We're going to be working on the Audi once again, getting it ready for Fixxfest next weekend. If you didn't see the last video, I'm going to be in the integrated engineering booth. Stop by, check out the car, and say hello. Speaking of the car, I had it paint corrected, PPF'd and ceramic coated, and it looks crazy. Let me show you guys real quick. Actually, you know what? I've got my light. Let's go ahead and do this. Alright. Don't know how much this is going to pick up on camera, but, and just, you know, it's a little dirty. I'm going to wash it after this. But, I mean, it is like, oh, silky smooth. It is looking good. And then, of course, they did the lip for me as well. Great guys. I'll put a link in the description for their shop. It's called Ruddick's Detail. They're down here in Cocoa, Florida. They did an amazing job. They've got like a contract with McLaren, and they do a lot of high-end cars. So I knew I could trust them. And then just a little extra touch. They even polished out all my ABC pillars, and then also put PPF on those as well. So super happy with that. All right, so today we have going on the Carbon Imports rear diffuser. It's in carbon fiber. There it is right there. On there now is the ECS. It's just in black. I really wanted to go ahead and add some carbon to the back end since I've got the wing up top, lip in the front, mirrors on each side. And actually, while I was washing this, I discovered that the tabs that are up there on the ECS one are actually broken. I don't know when that happened or how that happened, but it is what it is. We've got the new one here. I'm going to go ahead and get that installed. As you can see, we're already up on the ramps. We'll set you guys up on the tripod, and let's get going. Alright, so we are currently up under the diffuser. Usually there's a tab here and a tab here as I get rained on by rocks. As you can see, it's broken. It's actually missing, and I don't know when the heck that happened, but that's rather frustrating because it's been in and out of the body shop a little bit, but whatever. Up here we have a bunch of clips or tabs, if you will, that are going to be right up here. What you want to do is actually start over on the side, and then you're gonna slowly work your way around, get over to this side, and it'll come right off. Again, you do take these 10 mils off typically, but my tabs are broken. I'm gonna have to take these off to install the new one, which is fine, but for now I'm just gonna leave them, and I'm gonna get working on these tabs. So let's get you set back up on the tripod. Wow, that was fun. Oh, how about that? I broke it. Alright guys, this is why I don't buy ECS. Tried taking it off and it broke already. So I'm just gonna rip it out. No sense in trying to save it to sell it because she broke. So much debris in here. Hey, nope. Oh, okay. Well, I think I know who broke this. Body shop. Doesn't matter now. I don't know which models come with the little the trunk kick sensor, but Carbon Imports, they're making a bracket for it. Right now, currently, it's going to be a little wonky until they do that. It's fine. They said once the bracket is done, R&D, they're going to send it out. So, not a big deal. Just need to get out all these broken tabs from the ECS one now, because I just kind of ripped it on out there. That's all up. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab some quick detail and just get in this hole here, in this crack. I don't want to scratch the new one once it goes in, so might as well. It's off. Might as well clean it. All right, we've got it clean. Next step is gonna be the reverse. Obviously, don't break it putting on. Be careful. It is carbon fiber though, so should be stronger than ECS's ABS plastic. Oh, I think I still have ECS pieces stuck. Oops. It's okay. Alright, we should be good. Probably easier with 2 people. I was getting held up on the nuts. They were not allowing me to slide it in, but we're getting there now. We are getting there. Okay. For now, I think I'm going to zip tie the sensor wire to the brackets just to have it up out of the way. Alright guys, we got wrapped up here, finally, after some persuading. There's a metal bracket that's attached to the, what do you call that? The bumper rebar that's back here. And one of the tabs was hitting the bracket, not allowing it to go in, so I had to reach up in there, pull the bumper down just a tad, slide it in, and now we're good to go. All lines up very well. You can see the 10 mil and the other 10 mil. And then of course the wires right there, which I need to go ahead and secure now. But other than that, we are looking good. And you can see it is a match to the OEM carbon fiber, which of course is on my front lip as well. This was also coated and everything by Ruddick prior to me installing it. Had the car completed already. That showed up late. I had to go drop it off. They took care of it, no problem. But yeah, I like this one a little bit better than the ECS because it has 4 instead of 3. I don't know. My favorite number is 4. I like even numbers. It is what it is. But and it's got just a little poke out there, little tiny shelf on the edge, and I think the 90 whatever millimeter tips I got from AWE will fit in there very nicely. I got the gloss black ones, so that'll look really cool, and I think it'll complete the rear end. I'm gonna go ahead and drive this thing off of the ramps. I do need to pull it out and give it a quick wash, even though it's like 9 o'clock at night, but the weather's great right now. I'm back. All right, everyone, that wraps up today's video. I got the car all washed. Let's take a quick look here in the garage. Yeah. Merlin purple is beautiful when it is corrected and properly cared for. And now we're going to go back here. Take a quick look. Carbon Imports rear lower diffuser. Installed, looking good. Very happy with that. Fitment's on point. We're good to go. And again, the paint. Oof. Alright, enough showing off the car. That wraps it up. Don't forget Fixxfest next weekend, 20th, Stark, Florida, at the Firm. Thanks again for stopping by the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Really appreciate it. I've got another video coming out here soon. I'm going to try to buy a new car from a Mr. Ed Bolian. Bring that to the channel, so we'll see what happens. But until then, y'all take care. Stay safe.